We begin the journey of Python leather industry. Specially trained handlers work under strict protocols to safely secure and manage the snakes before they are transported to the processing facility. Once they arrive at the factory, the containers are unloaded, documented, and prepared for the industrial process to begin. Inside the facility, technicians and experts follow controlled procedures as the valuable python skin. Snakes are first taken to a controlled medical area where specialists carefully check their health and physical condition. They are safely fed under strict protocols to maintain proper nutrition before continuing the process.
Venom collection complete. Store it in the secure vial.
Under highly controlled laboratory conditions, trained professionals carefully extract small amounts of python venom using specialized medical equipment. This process is done safely and precisely. And the venom is then preserved and studied for scientific and medicinal purposes, helping in the development of treatments and anti-venoms. Inside the facility, an advanced breeding and incubation program carefully raises new generations of pythons. Specialized incubators maintain the perfect temperature, humidity, and environmental stability to ensure safe and healthy development of the eggs. As the young snakes begin to hatch, trained biologists closely monitor every stage, recording growth, health conditions, and behavioral responses. Each newborn is safely evaluated and documented, ensuring that only strong and healthy specimens continue into the next phase of the program. Once the handling phase is complete, the pythons move into a controlled sanitation area where a specialized cleaning process begins. Inside the facility, technicians and experts follow controlled procedures as the valuable python skin is carefully removed and separated with precision because every inch of the leather matters. The skins are then washed, disinfected, and deeply cleaned using industrial systems to ensure hygiene, durability, and perfect texture. After cleaning, they move through drying tunnels where time, temperature, and humidity are precisely controlled to protect quality.
It looks like the thickness is consistent here, right, at 2.2 millimeters.
Yes, that aligns with the previous sample data.
After the skin removal stage, the remaining python meat enters a specialized food-grade processing section of the facility. Here, strict hygiene and safety standards are followed to ensure that every step meets international food regulations. Automated cutting machines and expert workers portion the snake meat into uniform sections. Precision cutting ensures consistency for packaging, storage, and future culinary use. Snake meat is highly valued for its impressive nutritional profile. It is rich in lean protein, low in fat, and contains essential minerals, making it a healthy and energy-dense food source in many cultures around the world. Finally, the product is prepared for shipment to restaurants, specialty food markets, and international buyers. From industrial processing to consumer tables, this is how snake meat becomes a controlled, reliable, and nutritionally valuable food product. Next, the skins enter the tanning department, where special formulas transform raw snake skin into strong, flexible, high-value leather. After tanning, the leather is polished, coated, and enhanced to achieve its premium shine and softness. Then the material goes through cutting and shaping, where robotic systems and skilled artisans prepare each piece with extreme accuracy.
Moisture levels look good. Moisture levels look good.
After the initial cleaning phase, the python skins enter a highly specialized treatment area designed to transform them into premium quality leather. Improving durability and preventing deterioration over time. The skins are carefully placed into drying chambers where controlled temperature and humidity ensure even dehydration without damaging their natural patterns. Professional finishing stages add rich color tones, deep polish, and a luxurious shine, creating the premium python leather that will later become exclusive jackets, handbags, belts, and high-end footwear. In the final stage, the processed python leather enters the finishing department, where every detail is carefully evaluated.
Thickness is consistent.
Expert technicians examine the surface texture, checking flexibility, smoothness, and natural scale definition to ensure a luxurious feel. Advanced laser technology then scans each piece, measuring thickness with microscopic precision to confirm uniformity across the entire material. Only the skins that meet the highest quality standards pass this stage, guaranteeing durability, beauty, and premium performance in every final product.
The reading here is 7.02 pH.
Got it. Logging 7.02 now. Data confirmed.
Once the Python leather passes quality treatment, it moves into the precision cutting phase. Here, advanced machinery and trained technicians cut each piece with extreme accuracy, shaping the leather into components that will soon become luxury footwear. The approved leather enters an automated production line. Robotic systems assemble shoe structures with exact alignment. Master artisans carefully select the finest leather pieces, organizing them by tone, pattern, and color depth to achieve perfectly matched pairs.
Check reading 7.02.
Confirmed. Logging now.
Every section is then sent to a specialized laboratory where experts analyze texture, density, and finish to guarantee strength, flexibility, and perfect visual consistency. Inside the jacket production area, the Python leather first enters specialized heating chambers. Once conditioned, the leather is transferred to a tailoring department. Here, technicians carefully measure, align, and prepare each section. The prepared pieces are then moved to powerful industrial sewing machines. These machines begin assembling the jacket structure, combining strength, speed, and accuracy to create a solid foundation. Finally, expert operators complete the precision stitching stage. Every seam is reinforced, every detail is aligned, and every stitch is inspected to guarantee a flawless, premium quality snake leather jacket. With the jacket structure complete, the piece now enters the luxury finishing stage. Skilled artisans carefully polish the Python leather using specialized tools. Inside the luxury packaging line, every finished product is carefully placed into premium presentation boxes. High-precision machines wrap each item with protective film, ensuring the leather surface remains flawless during transport. Robotic arms add the final touch, premium branding tags that certify authenticity, origin, and luxury craftsmanship. In another department, high-end footwear takes shape. Skilled technicians align each leather piece while precision machinery creates perfectly fitted luxury shoes. Advanced laser systems map the material with stunning accuracy, guiding exact cutting zones for luxury handbags. This ensures symmetry, beauty, and maximum use of every leather sheet.
Ideal temperature.
Finally, heat-forming technology shapes and stabilizes each product, locking in form, texture, and luxurious finish. The result, perfection ready for the world of elite fashion. As each piece nears completion, precision machines apply a protective finishing coat along the edges, sealing and strengthening the luxury snake leather. Before any product leaves the factory, specialists meticulously test flexibility, resistance, and surface integrity. In the artisan finishing area, craftsmen hand polish each shoe to enhance shine, depth, and richness, revealing the natural beauty of the scales. This elite finishing room is where luxury becomes reality. Teams refine handbags and shoes one by one.
Both lines are now prepared for the final finishing.
Finished luxury goods travel through the final conveyor line. At the very last checkpoint, senior inspectors approve only the finest pieces, the ones worthy of being labeled as true luxury.
Everything is in order. Move it to packaging.
The packaging journey begins with specially crafted luxury boxes, lined with soft satin to protect every premium snake leather piece. Advanced robotic systems gently place them into premium presentation boxes, ensuring flawless protection.
Perfect seal, ready for transport.
Close it up, play. The truck is full and ready to go.
With logistics synchronized to perfection, the shipment begins its journey to luxury boutiques and elite clients around the world, carrying craftsmanship, precision, and pure prestige. As the journey nears its end, these exclusive Python leather masterpieces reach their final destination, a world of elegance, prestige, and luxury. Inside secure storage, every crate is carefully opened, revealing perfectly preserved luxury pieces. Each product is handled with precision, ensuring absolute protection and value. Before reaching the showroom, every article is placed inside premium gift packaging, designed to elevate the luxury experience from the very first moment. Each jacket is inspected again and then displayed in elite boutiques, where craftsmanship meets sophisticated fashion. Here, luxury becomes desire. Exclusive Python leather shoes, handbags, and accessories are now ready for the world's most demanding clients.
Just like that, perfect. Look how the light reflects. Everything is ready for the VIP showcase. They're gonna love this.
Thank you for watching to the end. This was only one chapter of an incredible industrial world. Subscribe and stay tuned. Our next video will blow your mind.